everyone. This is our 28th lecture of matrices and we are doing exercise 3.4. We continue with our next question, 12th one, and in 12th one your matrix is given 6, -3, -2 and 1. We have to find inverse if it exists. By which method? Our row reduction method, or you can say elementary operation. Okay, first we make this, we divide this term by 3. So, we can make it 2, 2 same. So, first row will be multiplied with 3. What will we can get? 2 when you divide by 3, -1, -3 this way. When you divide -3 by 3, you get -1, 1 by 3 and 0 as it is. This will be -1, -2 and 1, 0 and 1. Now, we want to make it 0. So, we can make a change in R2, that R1 will be added here. So, first one as it is 1 by 3, 0. Now, when you add -2 plus 2, you get 0, -1 plus 1 you get 0, 1 by 3 plus 0, 1, 1 by 3 and last 1. Now, you get both the 0. What is the meaning of it? If you get any row or column, both the terms 0. So, inverse will not exist. This is the first sum in which we are getting inverse will not exist. That is why I have shown that if you get any row 0, first or second, then A inverse will not exist. Now, we discuss next question in which also inverse will not exist. In 14th question, we have discussed this is 12th one, and in 14th also same. Okay, if we want to remove this 4, what we have to do? We have multiplied first row with -2 and added in R2. So, what you get? 2, 1, 1, 0. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2, 0. This will be -2 and 1. Now, we get here also second row as a 0. So, inverse will not exist. Okay, now I have explained 14 and 12. 13 question is similar as the previous one. So, you can try. In both the sum, inverse will not exist. So, you can try this. Now, we start 3 by 3. Our first solve sum we discuss in which you have given matrix 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 1. Now, remember, it is very easy in 2 by 2, but the calculation became too much longer. Maybe sometimes in a one sum you can use 2, 3 pages, but what is the theme in it? That for finding inverse you have to start with your matrix. Here we are writing identity matrix, and you have to remember we have to convert identity matrix here. So, here we require first row 1, 0, 0, second 0, 1, 0 and third 0, 0, 1. But here we want 1 and our first term only 0. So, what to do? We simple interchange these two for getting first term 1. What we are doing? R1, R2. What I have written symbol? I am changing R1 with R2. Okay, let us change R1, R2. So, we have to change for full term. 1, 2, 3 your first row, 0, 1, 0. Now, 0, 1, 2. Same way 1, 0, 0 and 3, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, the same operation you can do with column also. So, whenever you want to do with row, full question you have to solve with row. When you use column, you have to solve full question with column. In your textbook, both method is given. Okay, now here we want 1, that also we have it, here also we have 1, we have it, here also. So, we have to remove this 2, this 3, this 2, this 3 and this 1. We have to reduce this 5 term. Now, you tell me how can we reduce this 5 term to make it simple. So, first thing, we do not want this 3. So, we will write first. We are making change in R3, and what is our change? R3 R1 multiply with minus 3. So minus 3 will be added here and it's became 0. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3 as it is, 0, 1, 0 also as it is. Now second row, no need to make any change because we are just replacing third. Okay, minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Similar way, this will be multiplied with minus 3, so minus 6 added in 1, so became minus 5. Similar way, this will be multiplied with minus 3, minus 9 added here, so minus 8. Now same way, 0, 0, 0 only, this will be multiplied with minus 3, so here minus 3 and last term this is 1 only. So now we have made these two zeros. Still what you want? We don't want this 5 also. So what we will write? Now we in third row we multiply second row by 5 and we add in third. So 1, 2, 3 as it is, 0, 1, 0 as it is. Second also write as it is because we are making change in R3. Okay, let's start. Multiply with 5. So plus or minus 5 will be 0. Now multiply with 5. 5 2s are 10 added in minus 8, so 2. Multiply with 5 added in 0 means 5. 0 into something 0 only, so this term both as it is. Now we have 2 here. So simple thing, make it 1 by divided 2. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0. Then 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0 as it is. Now let's divide it by 2 and 1 by 2. Now easy, we are getting here 1. Now we don't want this 2. So first what we will write? Just we write for R2. R1 multiply with minus 2 and added in. So first one we will keep as it is. Okay. Now in second one let's make change. When you operate with 0 doesn't matter, you get the 0 only. Same way third row sorry, by mistake I have written here third row. Okay. Now 0 multiply, so you get the 0 only. Now R1 multiply with minus 2. No, we want here 0. Multiply 1 with minus 2 added here, 0 added here. So now what you get? First row as it is, second row 0, 1, 0. Now check, we are making 1 minus 5 by 2 into 2. But remember, I have written minus sign here. Either you can write like this, 2, 2 cancel, 1 minus 5 will be minus 4. Again, multiply minus 3 by 2 with minus 2. What you get? 3 only. And last half, multiply with minus 2, you get minus 1. Now keep last one as it is. So 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and half. Now check both the row what we get, that is our identities format only. Now we don't want this 2 and 3. So for that what to do? One simple step for this first. We are changing in R1, for that R2 multiply with minus 2. We can make it 0. Similarly again for R1 only. In R1, R3 multiply with minus 3 and added in R1. So here when you operate, you get 0 this one. Here when you operate, you get this 0. So first we operate this one. So what you get? 1 as it is, because no need to make change with 0. This one will be 0, 0 and 3. Now when you multiply with minus 2, 4 2s are 8, so first term became 8. 3 2s are minus 6, 1 minus 6 will be minus 5. Minus 2 and minus 1 will be plus 2. 0 1 0 minus 4 3 minus 1 as it is, 0 0 1 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and half also as it is. Now what to do? We don't want this 3. So now we can operate this one. What you can write here? 1. This as it is 0. Now this became again 0. But remember, when you multiply this with minus 3, 8 minus 3 into 5 by 2. So 8 minus 15 by 2. So 16 minus 15 by 2. What you get? 1 by 2. Similarly, this one. Minus 5 plus minus 3 by 2 into minus 3. So minus 5 plus 9 by 2. 5 2s are minus 10 plus 9 by 2. So you get minus half. Minus 2 plus half into minus 3. So 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 3. So this will be half. Now the rest part is as it is. Minus 4, 3 minus 1 and 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and half. This way we have reduced all the terms, and what you get? This is our question. Now we have A is this one, and by the row reduction we have taken identity matrix here. We have reduced in such a way that you can get here identity, and what you get here, that will be your inverse. Sometimes if you make any mistake in calculation, maybe you will not get answer, but if you arrange identity proper way here, then definitely your answer will be correct. So this way, this much long question for 3 by 3, just revise it one more time because this is your first question for 3 by 3. So let's start. First we have here 0 we don't want. So we have interchanged these 2 rows and we have make it 1 first. So this is our first step. Now what we have done? We don't want the circle part portion and we want that 0. So first we have reduced this 3 and we make it 0. So when we have reduced this 3, check here we get 0. After next step where we have reduced this 5 and we get 0. After that step we have divided it by 2, so you get first as a 1. So last row we are getting 0 0 1, that is our required answer. Now in previous step what we have done? We make this term also 0. So second also same, third also. Now only one thing is remaining, we have to remove this 2 3. So we have written these 2 steps, multiply this with minus 2, add here, multiply this with minus 3, add here. So you get the rest part, and what you get here, that will be your A inverse. This is the quite long method, but we have no choice, we have to solve. Okay, let's take one more question of 3 by 3. In your book only 3-4 questions are given for 3 by 3, so you can try all. Method remain same for 3 by 3. In our 3.4 exercise only, your 15 number question. 2 minus 3, 3. 2, 2, 3 and 3 minus 2 plus 2. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now, let's start with this 3. We don't want this 3 and we want to make it 0. So when you want to make it 0, what we have to write for R3 first? R1 multiply with first, make it 1 and then with 3. So minus 3 by 2. Okay, let's do it. First row we will keep as it is and we will write what is given. Second also same because first we are changing in third one. Okay, this became 0 because we have calculated it. Now minus 3 into minus 3 by 2 plus minus 2. Let's do it. 3 3s are 9 by 2 minus 2. What is it? 2 2s are 4. 9 minus 4 by 2 will be 5 by 2. Now next is 3 will be multiplied with minus 3 by 2 and added in 2. So minus 9 by 2 plus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 9 plus 4 by 2. So, this will be minus 5 by 2. Now, let us multiply with minus 3 by 2. So, here minus 3 by 2 0 and this one as it is. Now, we have make 1 0. The same way we have to make here also 0. We do not want this 2 also. So, let us proceed first for this 2 R2. We will write multiply with minus 1. So, we can reduce directly this term. So, 2 minus 3 3 as it is, 1 0 0 as it is. Subtraction of 2 minus 2 0. Now, multiply with minus sign. So, minus minus plus 3 added in 2 will be 5 and then multiply with minus sign, this became 0. So, easy way we get the second 0, 1 as it is and 0 as it is. Okay, we keep last row as it is because we will make a change, but after completing our this row. Now, we do not want this 5. So, full second row multiply with 1 by 5. What you get? First one keep as it is, 0 1 0, then minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 0, and last one 0, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 0 and 1. So, now very simple thing, here we get 1. Now, we can do 2 steps together, that this one we are making change here first for R3. In R3, R1 multiply with minus 5 by 2 and direct added here. So, this became 0. So, let us do this step first, 1 0 0. Okay. Now, this one as it is because we are making change in R3, 0 multiply with minus 5 by 2 added here 0, this 5 by 2 as it is because we have with 0 only. Okay, but this thing we have to solve, minus 1 by 5 into minus 5 by 2. So, first one we are getting half will be added in minus 3 by 2. So, 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 2 will be minus 1. So, first thing this minus 1, no need to operate with 0 because it is 0 only, and last thing 1 keep as it is. Now, here you multiply with minus 2 by 5. What we can write? R3 multiply with minus 2 by 5. So, what you will get? If you multiply with minus 2 by 5, you get 1 here. We get this term also same, and we will get our required term as a third also. So, let us do it again. 2 minus 3 3, 1 0 0, then 0 1 0, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 and 0, and last term 0 if you multiply with it does not matter, you get the same answer, and minus 2 by 5 this one. Now, we have both the row which one we required. Now, we have to remove only this 2 3. So, second row when you multiplied second row with 3 and added in 1. Similar thing when you multiply third row with minus 3 and added in. So, you get 2 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. But now, let us make a change first for second row. Second multiply with 3, 1 minus 3 by 5 will be 2 by 5. Similarly, 3 by 5 added in 0 and this 0 as it is, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. Now, let us make a change for last one. Okay. By mistake I have written both the term together, we will first operate second. Now, this one here, let us start 2 0 0. Okay, let us change it. This will be 2 by 5 minus 6 by 5. What you get? Minus 4 by 5. Similar way 0. So, no need to make any change. This will be multiply with 3 means minus minus plus 6 by 5. 0 1 0 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 0 0 0 1 2 by 5 0 minus 2 by 5. This way we are getting. Now, divide it by 2. So, here we get 1. Divide it by 2. Divide it again by 2 and divide it by 2. That way you can calculate. Here arrange 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and what you get this side will be your inverse. Let's check it once, so it will be more clear to you. Check first. We have taken identity here. We have first started with R3. We have made this 0. Then afterwards we have make a second row. This term 0, and definitely we get both 0 together. So once we have divided it by 5, you get the second row as it is 0 1 0. Then we have proceed for third, and we make another 2 zeros. So now here to make a 1, we have multiply with minus 2 by 5, and you get our second and third, both the row 0. Then what you get? If this 2 1 1 you are getting, multiply this with 3 and add here, multiply this with minus 3, add here. So this is your calculation, and here only you get 2. So when you get 2, we have divided by full row by 2, and what you get will be your answer. So we have discussed these questions for 3 by 3 also today, and in our next lecture we will start MCQ and the remaining miscellaneous exercise. Thank you very much.